Okay, so today we are looking at word problems. So for this first word problem, we're saying that there's a drone that's flying 300 feet in the air. So here is our drone, and it is flying 300 feet in the air. They're saying that the angle of depression from the drone to Giordano's is 75 degrees. So we'll have our horizontal line right here, and we're saying that 75 degrees is our angle of depression to our Giordano's. They're saying that the angle of depression from the drone to the Chick-fil-A is going to be 12 degrees. So now we need to find this section right here because we're finding the distance. The way that we're going to do this is first we need to solve for one of our sides. So I'm going to solve for this side right here. So this angle, because if when we do this angle, this is going to be 15. This is 75. This will be 12. And this will be 78. So when we're solving for this side, we're going to say that sine of our 75 degrees is going to equal 300 over our x. So when we solve for x, we're going to say that that is 300 over sine 75. And we get that x equals 310.6. Now we can use this side to find out our last side. So when we combine these two, we have 15 and 78. So this angle up here, angle D, is going to be 93 degrees. So we'll say sine of 93 over our y is going to equal the sine of 12 over our 310.6. We're going to do our cross multiplication. So I'll say y sine 12 equals 310.6 sine 93. Divide by the sine 12. And y is going to equal 1,491.8 feet. And that is our answer. If you have any questions on the word problem, just please reach out to me. Otherwise, have a good weekend.